Morning everyone, welcome to Zimba Motoring. My name is Nez. Now join me bright and early, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we are making our way down to Evolve Automotive because right behind me you've got Ben Joseph's BMW M4 CS, which is getting some work done, as well as that 740 horsepower BMW M6. So that's also getting some work done at Evolve Automotive. So I thought, why not? Let's join them both going down there and let's see where the day takes us. But let me just tell you, those two cars sound incredible. So let's get this day started. Let's go! So guys, we're now on our way down to Evolve Automotive. Epic convoy so far. That M6, all it's doing is just snaking around. Guys, just check out how fat those rear tires are. They look huge. So guys, we're about 10 minutes away from Evolve Automotive. There they go, look at them. Ladies and gents, we have arrived at Evolve Automotive. Here we go. Excuse my alarm, this is normally the time I get up for work. So guys, we've now arrived at Evolve Automotive. They also fit a Venturi intake. The M6 is going to be here for 2 weeks. That car will have 800 horsepower. It's absolutely insane. Let me take you around the car because it's got some Vorsteiner wheels, Vorsteiner body kit, front splitter, which has been taken off because it's going on a ramp. It's got a stunning carbon fiber diffuser. I love the stance, it's really nailed it. The car is sitting just right. We're just gonna get a quick coffee and then we'll be back to hopefully see that car get its new Downpipe Akrapovic exhaust. So guys, Evolve have opened, Ben's car is about to go in, and what a lineup so far. We've got a brand new F90 BMW M5, next to that we've got their special M2, then you've got Ben's M4 CS, Viper Green M3, and then next to that we've got the M6. So guys, Ben's car has now gone into the workshop. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to film the whole process as it gets in the way of health and safety. What we're going to do, we're going to film it once it's on the dyno and then we can see if there's a horsepower difference. Yeah, this car was producing 449 horsepower. So hopefully we'll catch up with the car soon. That sounded absolutely incredible on the start up. Really loud. So quick update guys, they've just installed the Iron gauge and then they've put the car on the ramp and they've dropped the exhaust system and now fitting the downpipe. So good progress so far. So guys, we're now in the workshop. They've finished the job. They're about to bring the CS down from the ramp and do the first startup with the new downpipe. So I can't wait. Let's hear this thing. Right, Ben, how are you feeling? You ready?
No, mate.
Are you nervous?
Very nervous, mate.
Ben's been nervous. Oh, literally the last hour has been nervous. Here we go, moment of truth. No more. So there's the new Aaron gauge over there, all installed. Ben's got the full-on M performance steering wheel with the shift lights we've seen earlier. It tells them the temperature and everything on that steering wheel. Beautiful Alcantara, of course. And this car's only done 2,413 miles. But sounds good so far. Much louder. And this is just on idle. Just look how clean that is. This car never gets driven in the wet, only in the dry, and you can tell it's absolutely spotless down there. So guys, we've just listened to the car for the first time after its new exhaust. So now it's about to go on a dyno, and yeah, we'll really see what the power is. So previously, as I said before, they had 449 horsepower. Automatically straight away, it sounds a lot more deeper, a lot more bass to it, even on idle. So really looking forward to seeing what it sounds like on full chat on the dyno. So guys, the car is now on the dyno, all chained up, put the front fan on, and I'm pretty sure behind I've got the ducts where the exhaust fumes come out, but the car is fully chained up. The beast is ready to unleash itself, so very, very excited to see this. So first round, started with a bit of an issue, there's a bit of wheel spin, so you're gonna reset the computer and do it again, but that sounds nuts! Guys, that sounds amazing. I'm not sure if you can hear me from the noise of these fans, but that sounds ridiculous. Ah, wow. Yes. Close, more, one more. So guys, that was on Instagram 435. He just gave us some quick revs of his it's basically a 435i. We're now quickly making our way out of here. We're leaving Evolve Automotive on the left there, but Ben's just had his car done. On the dyno, basically, we believe the car's not been running properly, so it needs a bit more time. So hopefully once that car's properly running, it'll eventually make more power. But we're leaving now for a quick coffee. That was awesome. As you can see, his Instagram 4THREEE5 M4CS Ben Joseph on Instagram. All links in the description below to their Instagram pages. But now we're leaving Evolve Automotive and making our way out of here. So guys, that is it. We've just had something to eat quickly, but at the end of the day, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll see you again soon, and hopefully more of this M4CS with this brand new downpipe Akrapovic exhaust system. So hope you enjoy that, guys. See you later.